Russell Roof Tiles was founded in 1892. We're the third largest roof tile manufacturer in the UK.
Tate's is a cookie manufacturer.
Electroflex is a company that provide flexible conduit throughout the country.
We have rollers that can fit in the palm of your hand, 2 rollers that have to be delivered on a flatbed truck.
Best company producing springs.
And our major markets are cooling tower, wastewater, construction, medical, and transportation, to name a few. SyteLine has served us well over the years. We've been using SyteLine since 1996. With each iteration of SyteLine CloudSuite Industrial, more and more features are there. And really, when we look at what CSI 10 can do and optimize all these different areas.
Operating in a cloud environment was just a no-brainer for us, because it saved us having to invest in the initial upfront hardware costs. And it also meant that we could rely on industry experts to maintain security and backups for us.
Infor CloudSuite Industrial has allowed us to do was basically understand where our bottlenecks are, understand where we're bleeding costs, and be able to leverage best practices in each plant to bring everybody up to the same level. What I love that Infor is introducing is integrating best practices into their workflows. If we follow the Infor workflow, we will be efficient.
PBC Linear is a global manufacturer of bearings, linear motion systems, single-axis robots, and other equipment for factory automation. We have invested significantly in our configurator, or the Infor CPQ product, and that allows us to present a sales tool to customers so customers know what they're getting, and that has been a giant help for us and for our customers.
When I joined in 2012, we were a 16 million turnover business, and we're now nearly 50 million, and we've done that through automating processes.
Infor CloudSuite Industrial provided us with more visibility into our item costing, so we could provide further analysis to business stakeholders. And we also saw an increase in productivity with our financial employees.
Infor SyteLine provides us the tools and provide our customers with up-to-date values information for them. We were using a very old batch system that required an entire data entry team. We've actually moved that onto the production floor where they can report their own production.
Customer satisfaction has been improved since we easily having access to the information in the system, entering information, reading information from customer and suppliers, easy to access. I will recommend Infor to new customers. I believe it has all the tools, features needed to run mid-size or big organizations.
There you've got a global team that can support us even during off hours in the US.
I'm really proud of the implementation that we did in Florida. So bringing them onto SyteLine, where they could actually maintain their inventory via lots, and it's improved their productivity. It's been really exciting to see them grow and develop their business ready for their next plant.